Hello everyone, this is Rahul Jakaria from Sharekhan. Welcome back to exciting 3R actionable stock updates. 3R basically means right sector, right quality and right valuation. These are our investment ideas. Today we have an update on vard Ltd. vard is a major electrical appliance manufacturer. Non-South region's contribution to revenue significantly increased from 40% in 2020 to 46% in FY24. In-house manufacturing of products has increased to 65% in FY24 from 40% in FY20. This would lead to margin expansion from 7.8% in 2024 to 10.5% in 2027 estimates. Company has made good progress in integrating Sunflame into vard's system and processes, strengthening back-end operations, compliance and controls. We expect revenue CAGR of 17% and PAT CAGR of 28% over FY24 to 27 EPS. Hence, we retain a buy recommendation on vard with a price target of Rs 540. Next, we have an update on Iris Clothing. Our analyst maintains positive view on Iris Clothing with an upside potential of 25% over the next 12 months. A strong focus on widening reach to over 500 EBOs and 20,000 plus retail touchpoints from 6 EBOs and 10,000 plus retailers at present will be supported by capacity expansion from 33,000 pieces per day to 120,000 pieces per day. Diversification of the product range by entering categories such as innerwear, winter sportswear and jackets, and increasing its contribution from infant wear and Disney Doremo brand would be another key growth lever. We expect Iris to post a revenue CAGR of 37% and a PAT CAGR of 51% over FY24 to FY26. The stock is corrected by 16% from its high, which provides a good entry opportunity with an improved outlook. It is currently trading at 18 times its FY25 and 13 times its FY26 EV by EBITDA.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.